Hello, this is Zach from Mudshare, and today I'm going to show you how to create an online survey within the Mudshare platform. Using my login credentials, I'm on the home screen here, and to get to online surveys, we're going to go into Marketing, Survey Campaigns. Below is a list of all the current surveys that you have in your system, and you can view that information about each survey here. To create a new survey, we're going to use our action item below and click on Create Survey. And now we can specify the name. I'm going to call this Online Survey 2020. My type is going to be Online Survey. When it comes to tagging, once you fill out your information and take the survey, the system at Mudshare automatically tags you. So we're going to click on the tag, and I'm going to use my Online Survey Taker tag. Again, the system will automatically tag you here. It is important to generate your own keyword here because this is what's used during the URL when taking the survey. So for the keyword, I'm going to create this as test survey. And then finally, I'm going to add a description. And I'll put online survey. Once ready with the initial settings, we'll click create survey. This directs us to the edit survey information. You see on the left, it pulls over all the information that was created in the beginning setup. I have the ability as a user to set a schedule as to when the survey can start or be activated. And once ready, I'm going to save my general information. Now it's time to add the questions that are going to be asked on the survey. So I'm going to go into script. And here I can ask my questions. My first question I'd like to ask is going to be, would you like to receive future promotions from our company? When I'm ready to add the question, simply click add. And now I can add the responses to the overall question. To do that, click add. And I'm going to add 2 responses, so I'm going to click add again. Now I can type in my responses here below. My first response is going to be yes, like a multiple choice question. To save that information, click on the modify button. And same thing below, just no, and click on modify. Now I want to be able to track the information about the people that click or choose yes, as an answer. So to do that, I'm going to tag them with the information. I can pull up pre-existing tags in the field. I have the ability to user again to click on database tag. And of course, if you want to know more information about tagging, you can review the tagging video that has been created in the past. But I'm going to use a tag that I've already created, and I'm going to set this as promo. Now I'm going to leave blank with no tags, but I want to add another question. To do that, just simply type in the second question, and it's going to be, would you like to volunteer for our organization? Once ready, I'm going to hit add question, and now I'm going to add my responses. Again, I'm going to have 2 responses, so I'm going to click my add button twice. And now I'm going to add the responses. Yes. I'll click modify to save. And then I'm going to click no and modify to save. Excuse me. I want to track the people that click yes. So I'm going to use the database tag volunteer. And I want every time that they answer question number 2, the users, I want them to have a response. So I'm going to label this jump to outro 1 and jump to outro 1. I'm going to now go into outro 1 and add the response. Thank you for taking our survey. So every time the user answers the question of question 2, no matter what response, they'll receive this action. I'm going to save this message text. And now it's time to double check my work. So I just checked outro 1's response. I'm going to go to my script, Double check the questions. You can see here question one, and here are the responses below, as well as question two and their responses. In the general information, I'll double check the general information and to the right, and I'll save that information. Remember, the test survey is a key indicator for creating an online survey. So now we're ready to activate the online survey. One more thing that I forgot to mention, I have the ability to add a logo that I'd like to see on the survey, and I can just do that by clicking set here. Now I'm ready to activate the survey. I'm going to click my Save General Information. You can see my survey pops up here. I'm going to click Activate Survey to start the survey. The system will give me a checks and balance notifying me. I'll click Yes. And now I can view the survey information by going into and adding the link. So I'm going to go into a new link, open a new tab. I'm going to put public.mudshare.com with that / and remember the keyword that we added in the Mudshare platform. So I'm going to put test survey and click enter. It's going to take me to the survey information. I'll enter my information here, check that I'm not a robot, and I'll submit information. And here you can see the questions that we generated from the Mudshare platform. Our first question, the second question, and the response to the second question. The Mudshare platform tracks all this information for you to use in the future. This concludes my video on online survey. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to a Mudshare representative and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for listening.